Hey, Norm here with UPLIFT Desk. One of our biggest goals with the design of the V3 Standing Desk was to make assembly as fast and as easy as possible. Let's see how quickly I can assemble this desk. I'm aiming for under 5 minutes. Some of our competitors claim their desk can be assembled in 5 minutes. We thought we'd time ours for comparison. Now, I've put together my fair share of UPLIFT desks. I've also already taken all of my parts out of the box and set the desk on a raised surface to make assembly as easy as possible, all of which helped my time. All you'll need is the single included tool to build the frame and a Phillips head screwdriver to attach the desktop. We recommend using a blanket or some kind of protective covering to prevent any scratches. You'll need a buddy to help flip your desk over when you're finished. How you want to handle wire management is up to you, so we won't add that to the clock. The most important thing is to buy a desk you'll love. You could buy a standing desk just because it could be put together in 5 minutes, but the UPLIFT desk is so much more than that. Built with sturdy, rock-solid engineering and infinitely customizable to fit your needs, it's a desk that you'll only need to assemble once, but will stand by you for years, backed by a 15-year warranty. And there you have it. Same great UPLIFT desk, now faster and easier to assemble. Get yours today at upliftdesk.com.